Hey guys, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'm coming at you today, sis, with a new kind of a double banger. We have, First of all, let me just say, y'all, I'm kind of slap happy. I am so tired. I literally just got off work. I have been gone since, 5:30 this morning. It is now 9:01, and your girl is tired. So let me just apologize in advance. My makeup, it ain't really popping anymore, sis. And I was so tired, I ain't had time to freshen it up. So y'all don't come for me in the comments. Here we are. I just wanted to share this with you. Okay. What I'm doing today is I'm bringing you two things. I am bringing you half wigs and headbands. And so the headbands that I'm bringing to you are very special to me. They are from my YouTube bestie. She makes each and every one of them by hand. No two are alike. They're very unique. And it is my girl, still looking good, 58. So let me just say, this is some of the headbands that I've purchased from her. I literally have 46 of her headbands. And when I tell y'all that they're awesome, they're awesome. This is from my last haul. 10 other ones that I have. I literally bought some of them duplicate because I'm going to be doing a giveaway pretty soon. And I'll probably add you a headband in whatever else I give away. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel, have your notification bells on, as well as on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. In all three places, I'm WeezyWigReviews. Now, sis, make sure you keep it one long word and you put an S on the end, okay? Then you're going to find it. So the headbands that I have for you guys today, still looking good, 58, sent me over 6 different headbands, y'all. It is raining so bad outside. And did y'all just see all my lights go out? So I'm going to try to keep going. Hopefully, we ain't having no tornado or nothing, or I don't lose my lights. I'm taking one for the team. You see this dedication, sis? Hit that subscribe button. But Faith sent us over 6 different headbands, and these are African-inspired headbands. All right, so this is what they're looking like. And the nice thing about Faith's headbands, not only are they unique, but they're also, sis, all of these, they only $5, girl. So we're going to be looking at those 6. I also want to say, as far as, let me take one out and just kind of show it to you. Let's see, which I'm going to do this one first. I think this one is so pretty. Her headbands are twisted headbands. So see that? They're twisted right here up in the top. They are made out of polyester and rayon. So see, they're very stretchy. So if you have a large head, it's not going to be an issue. I believe she makes them all in size medium, but don't quote me on that. But the ones that I have are medium, and they're very stretchy. Now, they're smooth, soft fabric. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that. And guess what, girl? They're machine washable and dryer safe. So you cannot go wrong with this for $5. Girl, get your life. I am going to be showing you those, as well as I have 3 half wigs that we're going to be putting them on with, okay? And the 3 half wigs that I have, of course, is by Outre. I did purchase these with my own coins. So what I'm planning on doing is I'm just going to do like a quick lookbook. I'm going to, open these all up. I'll show you all the cap construction and everything. I'm going to show each of them to you with 2 different headbands. And yeah, another thing that I want to say about her headbands is, if you're like me and you have no edges, sis, or sparse edges, these work so good. Even if you have edges, they they're, what do you call it? They don't rub your edges off. And if you don't already have any, it's just very, very soft material. So they're nice and wide, and I'm going to show you how to wear them if you don't have edges. All right, guys, y'all ready? Let's go.
disrespect how you feel, but baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Let me show you what love is and why it's beautiful. Just put your body on top of mine, yeah. I won't treat you the same way as other girls who have no shame. No, I die for you. They have been cruel to you, saying things they don't mean. They have been rude to you, disrespect how you feel, but baby, I'll never go that far, 'cause I know better than that. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Treat you right, treat you right. Yeah, I would never ever let you go. I would treat you right, treat you right. Baby, I would always hold you close. So baby, let me hold you, hold you. I wanna show you, show you, show you how to treat you right, treat you right. Pull you closer through the highs and lows. Yeah, I wanna show
These headbands, I love them. Sis, they are so soft, so stretchy, and so wide that you can, if you don't have edges, as you can see, you can pull it down on your hairline, no problem. If you don't want it this thick, you can kind of bunch it up, or you can even kind of fold it in half. See the difference? This is with it all the way open, and this is if you want, if you don't want it so wide. So you got options, girl. But you all, make sure you go over to SLG58, and I will leave the link in the description boxes. So just check the description box, and you'll have all the information. Now let's talk real quick about these Outre Converti-Caps. I had never tried these. You guys, all three of them that I got, I absolutely really like. I like the texture on them. I know that, what was it called? Sunshine Babe and this one, Waterfall In Love, were somewhat similar, but this one has like the tighter kind of curl pattern, and I really do like it. But these are phenomenal. So if you don't want to be fooling with laying lace down, if you don't want to have a whole lace front wig, this is the perfect option. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm so freaking exhausted, but I wanted to bring you some styles that you could see kind of how the Converti-Cap works. It does also, you guys, come with this little booklet that I didn't get to show you, but it shows you the different colors and all of the different styles that the Converti-Cap comes in. Look at that. That's cray. So just so you know, this will show you all of them. Okay, they're very reasonably priced. I don't remember how much I paid. If I have time, when I edit, I'll look it up and put in the description box. But if not, sis, you can just Google them and be able to see. But I think they were probably, I want to say maybe like under $20. But girl, don't get me lying to you. I'm tired. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I know this was a long video, but I absolutely wanted to show you all the beautiful headbands that are African inspired, as well as the 3 new Converti caps that I got. Great option for summer. All right, y'all. Have a very blessed day. And remember, sis, what I always say, to show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.